Hi everyone, Nina here with a new Slimline card for art impressions. This is gonna be my first project with art impressions. I'm so excited about it. I'm using this set Road Trip by Art Impression. It's so cute with the car and the girls so excited to have a road trip. So I wanted to color it with my ZIG Brush Markers. So for that I needed to stamp them with watercolor friendly ink. And then I started coloring. Check my Instagram. I'll leave the link down below in the description where I left how I colored this cute car. You can also check my blog where I left the shades that I used to color them. Look how cute they are. And I also colored the traffic light that comes with the set. Then I'm going to be using my Slimline die set. It's double stitched. It's so cute. I'm gonna use the biggest one. So, and then I'm going to use Bristol Smooth white paper, and I'm going to sandwich it between my plates, and then I'm going to send it to my Gemini. And the background that comes out, the Slimline card background that comes out, I'm going to use two shades of blue. You're gonna find them linked down below to create this very light color of the sky. Then I did cut with Lawn Fawn Puffy clouds, present the clouds. You're gonna find it linked down below if you wanna check it. And then I did use the stitched hillside to cut the ground. Since there is a traffic light, I thought it's gonna be sort of a city, so I wanted the ground to be sort of a car road, so I did cut it from black. But then I didn't like the look. Later on, you will see I will change the black and I'm gonna make it like light beige. I also added some green grassy borders. After I did stick them together, I thought the left side needs to be raised a little bit, so I did cut it in the middle. I raised the left side. I double foam tape behind the hillside, and then I'm just putting one layer of foam tape behind the car. And notice that I did not glue the car to the road, which was very lucky that I forgot to do that. It made me able to easily remove the road when I wanted to change it to the lighter beige color. So here is how it looks now. So beautiful. And then I did cut some straps from the same Bristol Smooth paper, and I did color them with the same colors that I used for the car, just so they would match. And they are going to be our little buildings since we have a city scene. I did cut the yellow and the pink, and also the light gray at the back. Here I'm just using my fine tip black pen. I'm just doodling some windows just to show that these are buildings. Doesn't have to be perfect, just sketchy coloring. This is how it looks, so pretty. Then this is this is also from the stamp set. I did stamps this way, and I did stamp just girls just want to have fun. I did stamp it on the background itself directly, but then I thought it needed something more, and I did stamp it in pink on a pink paper. And I did stick it on top. I feel it looks way more rich now than just being stamped on the background itself. It wasn't really showing. And here is the part where I changed the beige color, the road to the beige color. See, it looks way nicer and it lightened up the card. Then I'm going to use from my stash just a pink background, and I added foam tape behind my card, and then I added it to the pink background. Look how beautiful it is. Very, very simple card, very quick, but the result is so awesome. It's so cute. So I will leave you now with the photos. I also did add some enamel dots, pink and blue. Look how much of a difference they make. So thank you guys so much for watching me making this very simple, quick card. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps my channel a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye!